In the last module, I showed you the 5 stages of buying a business, the high-level roadmap. Now we're going to zoom in on one of the most important stages, due diligence. This is where deals are made or broken. Miss one warning sign and you could end up buying a business that drains your money instead of making it. So let's talk about some of the biggest red flags you need to watch out for. Red flag number 1, inflated profit margins. If the margins look too good to be true, they probably are. Sometimes owners clean up their books before selling, which makes the business look more profitable than it really is. Always dig into the actual expenses, payroll, rent, marketing, and make sure the numbers add up. Red flag number 2, owner-dependent businesses. This is another huge one. If the entire business relies on that current owner, do customers buy because of that person's relationship? Is the owner running all of the sales? If the answer is yes, that's risky because the value walks out the door when they do. Red flag number 3, weak customer acquisition. Look at how the business gets new customers. If it's all word of mouth or one big client, that's a red flag. A strong business has multiple acquisition channels, some mix of referrals, marketing, repeat business. If you don't see that, you'll be starting from behind. Red flag number 4, bad financials. Here's one more bonus, outdated or incomplete financial records. If the books are sloppy, if they can't give you clear P&Ls or tax returns, walk carefully. Because if they're hiding something, it's usually not good. These are just a few of the red flags that can sink a deal. Inflated profit margins, over-dependence on the owner, weak or non-existent marketing strategy, sloppy financials. Now, here's the thing. These are just a few red flags that can sink a deal. Inflated profit margins, over-dependence on the owner, weak or non-existent marketing strategy, and sloppy financials. Now, here's the thing. These are the obvious ones. In the full program, I give you a complete red flags checklist. Dozens of specific things to look for in the numbers, the operations, even the customer base. So you don't get burned by something you didn't see coming. In the next module, we're going to talk about what happens after you buy. Because buying is just the beginning. If you want to make real money, you need to know how to grow. And that comes down to 4 growth levers that every owner needs to know how to pull. I'll walk you through these in module 4.